is going on, YouTube? It's your boy T. Here today with another Soul Supremacy beater box. Today I got a $1,050 box. So it's the same price as last week's box that I posted. That box was crazy. You guys checked out the video. Thank you for watching. You guys seen I got those satins, got my brother those Pantones, and I got me some instant keepers out of that box. So I'm hoping to have something really nice in this one, something really dope. We just don't know. We're gonna have to open it up, check it out. I'm gonna jump right in. So it was $1,000 for the box, $50 for the shipping. If you're new to the channel, they just mystery boxes. Built for us to buy them and resell them from a company called Soul Supremacy. I've been getting a lot of new subs I see in the comments or whatever from the last couple of videos. This box has a lot of loose pair of shoes and a pair of shoes without a top on them. Jump on these first. These, we got some foams, some of the Safari foams. They are not dead stock, I don't believe. They look super clean. Check them out. We got a size 11 in the Safari foams. I seen on the tag. I think I seen it on the tag. Which one I seen the tag? There we go. Yeah, size 11 on the Safari foams. Check those out. Very clean, no box. But check out the bottom. Very icy. I don't think they're dead stock, but they're really clean. Next up, we got some military blues. I have not seen these in a while. These are a size 10. This is the 2012, 2013 release. These are a dope for a lot of people love this colorway. I think these were rumored to release next year, but you never know, man. Everybody comes out with those lists of what's coming out in 2021. But these they just need a pretty good cleaning. These are solid. Size 10 on these. These will probably sell really fast. I'm gonna have to drop those and get them clean to try to work my magic myself if I get time to clean them up a little bit. We got another pair of classics. We got those white grapes. See what size these are. We got 10.5. My size, 10.5 on the grapes. Check those out. Bottom still pretty clean. No box on these either, unfortunately. Got both the lace locks on there. It's not even a lot of creases in the toe box. Hopefully the ring light not blasting the shoes out for y'all. So we got another pair without a box. Looks like a Jordan 1 mid or something like that. I don't know the colorway for these, the colorway name. They look to be like red, and I'm not sure what kind of material that is. Kind of felt material or something. See what size these are. These are a 10.5 also. Still have plenty of stars on the bottom. Hopefully you guys can see the stars on the bottom of those. Like I said, I don't know the nickname. I don't even know if those are the original laces, but they are a 10.5, no box. These are the shoes I was talking about without a box top. We got a Nike SB Alley-Oop size 8. These seem to be, I can't tell if they dead stock or not. They look really clean. No, I'm gonna say, I don't know. It looks like there are speckles in the bottom, but they're made like that. So I believe these are dead stock. I don't know anything about them. Nike SB Alley-Oop size 8. Might not be nothing special. I'm pretty sure they're not. Size 9.5 in women's, 8 in men. So hopefully everything else in here, we got 5 pair left. Everything else has the box. Hopefully it's all the original boxes. We got a 6.5 Air Jordan 12. Looks like a girl's colorway. Jordan 12. 6.5 U. Pink and black. And I guess that's silver right there. I've seen these before. Okay, so this is the wrong box. These, I just got a glance at the tag, and these are size 7 youth. So I'm glad I caught that. So no box with these, no original box with these, size 7. I don't know the name of them. I have to put that in the video for y'all once I do my research on these. Ooh, we got a Jordan 1 box in here. But first, we gotta get this Kyrie box. Kyrie 3 size 10. Got some hoop shoes for one of y'all hoopers out there. Kyrie 3s, not dead stock, lightly worn. Bottoms look pretty clean. It's a little dirt on the bottom. Overall, pretty good shape. I heard Kyrie's are pretty good hoop shoes, but I wouldn't know because I ain't got none. All these shoes will be up on the IG page. I'm gonna randomly throw them up like I did the last box. So if you follow me on the Instagram at TGOTSOLE for sale, just go check it out, man. I'll more than likely have a pair or two of these out of that box of this box on there. But follow that page, man, because as soon as I sell them, I delete them, and you never know. We got some classics. I think I seen size 10 on the box. We got some true blues, the 3s. The Nike Air on the back. These are dope. These are classic. These will probably sell really fast. Love getting sneakers like this because I know I won't have them very long. These are 10. Oh, almost fumbled. These are 10. Not a lot of creases in them at all. Check out the toe box. A little yellowing in that cap. I don't know why they do that. One is yellow, one is a little bit more white. So I try to get some really good pictures so you guys can get a better idea of what they look like. And I realized the box was a little damaged too. I know it's not a big thing to a lot of you guys, but there are some people I've met that they're not messing with it if it doesn't have a perfect, pristine box. 2 pair left. I can already tell that one box is small, so I know it's not gonna be anything for me. These are a size 10. We got some more 5s. Black metallic joints with Nike Air on the back. Classics. Size 10 on these. These are in very good condition. Check out the side of them, still pretty icy. Bottoms lightly worn. Check out the other one before I get too happy. These are dope. Real good size 10 sells very fast for me. They even got Nike Air still on the inside. Whoever had these took pretty good care of them. Check out the Nike Air on the insole still. Not a bad pickup. Between the True Blues, the Grapes, these 5s, those military 4s. We got a lot of classics in this box. Last up, I knew this box was too small for me. It is an OG high, so that's good. These are a size 9. Oh man, somebody at Supremacy watching my videos. No, I'm just playing. Last video I said I needed these. Shadows, man, OG shadows. I need these at a 10.5. I'm sure I'll run across some in a box or something one of these days. I had a pair and I sold mine. These are a size 9 though. These are classic. These are dope. And I know that they won't last long here. But very clean. Very good way to end the box. I'm not sure what the money shoe is. I'm assuming it's these. But I have to see what the market looking like on those grapes, those white grapes and those metallics, those black metallics. Even those military 4s go for pretty good penny if I clean them up pretty good. So But this is a good way to end the box, man. I love seeing these. I just wish they were 10.5 or an 11. They do have the extra laces in here, so that's always good. Again, everything in this box will be up for sale on TGOTSOLE for sale. You can follow the main page too if you don't mind watching me hit some weights, working out with the homies or whatever I do on there. But man, thank each and every one of y'all for tuning in to today's video. I'm kind of backed up. I got another box here. Hopefully find time to get that one shot so I can just upload back to back to back for y'all and keep y'all more current to what's going on. They actually have a drop today. I'm behind on videos, bro. It's all bad. But work's slowing down, so hopefully I can start being a little bit more consistent. Thank you to everybody who put in orders for the last box. I shipped out all those. Everybody was happy with it. Again, follow the page. As soon as I post the shoes, hit me up. Everything that's on that page is available. As soon as it sells, I take it down. So you'll see it's only like 4 or 5 pair. That's because whenever anything sells, it's coming down, just so you guys can stay current to what I'm willing to get rid of. So that's gonna wrap it up, man. I appreciate y'all watching once again. Hit me up if you see anything in this video. You can DM me or email me, and we can go from there. Thank y'all for watching. I'm out. Peace.